In this video episode, I just want to point out the importance of taking time to check your steering coupling, especially if your vehicle is over 50 or 60 years old. While you're doing a restoration, it's the perfect time to do it. And besides, your life depends on it. I don't know about to you guys, but it looks pretty wore out to me. I'm glad I took it off. This is definitely something that you want to look out for when you're doing your restoration project. Here are the bolts that came with it. I am working on a 63 Ford Fairlane. And here is the new part, the new coupling. Here's the part number. This steering coupling is for 61 and 79 Ford and Mercury vehicles. I want to show that part number because it can make a big difference, because it's very important that you get the splines right too as well. The dowels on your new coupling need to be the same size and same location as the ones on your old coupling. So your dowel's going to go inside these two holes here, and you have one slot that's actually larger than the other slot, so it's pretty much self-explanatory which dowel goes where. Next, you want to install your bolt along with your lock nut. Make sure your cap is secured properly on the outside of your coupling. Now we can tighten down our bolts.
We're going to torque it down to 11 foot-pounds. And we're ready to install. Torque down to 32 foot-pounds.
I must say, this is one of the most neglected items on a restoration project. That's all you have to do, and your vehicle is safe. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe. Take care, and God bless.